Hello, thank you for watching. Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Here I have a Quilter Dream Series. This is a Wavy Lock Spire. This machine came in for service. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna check it out. The issue with this machine is that when you press on the foot control, it's not activating, it's not working. Actually, if you press here on this button here, the machine does works, but it's uncomfortable for you to work here. So you need to use your foot control, and the reason why the customer brought it in is because the foot control is not working right. I have the PCA board here, right here. This is a circuit board inside the machine that I find out it's issue with it. It's not working, it's not responding correctly. I'm gonna go inside now, replace it, and once I replace it, I'm 100% sure that this is gonna be no problem. Besides that, of course, we're gonna clean, oil, adjust the tensions and everything. But once I replace the PCA board on it, the machine will be working 100%. So let me jump into it, and I will show you the stitches and how this beauty works. This is a really nice machine, Wavy Lock. This is the Wavy Lock machine that came in. It's actually not running with a presser foot. It's only running manually. I already find out the problem is. I have replaced the board right inside here. PCA, I already replaced it. It's all good. I'm gonna try it now, make some stitches on it, and we should be up and running correctly. I already cleaned up everything. Also, it was a lot of dust. Everything it's clean now. As you can see, the machine looks great. I'm gonna put the foot control back in there now. Make sure I try it after I replace that board inside there. You can see it. So it's been replaced, and everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Press the foot control. Everything's working nice. See that? Now everything working fine. Everything looks good. There you go. We just got it done. This machine came in with PCA board damage inside. That's why the foot control wasn't working. So right now, bring down the foot down. Now the customer doesn't have to rely just on this button to get the machine up and running. Now she could use foot control, and everything's just working perfectly fine. The machine is now ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes these are type of service that I don't really like to show too much, not because you can do it, but because especially these machines are complicated to open. There's a lot of wires inside, so what happens is sometimes if you could pull out the plug, you might be able to crack a wire. So this I don't recommend you to open. It's not a mechanical machine. It has a lot of different wires inside, very small wires, and different connections inside that could get damaged if you don't do it right. Otherwise, I would have opened it up, but I don't think it's a great idea. That's just the reason why now that I don't want to show you how to fix that. It's easy changing the PCA board inside, but when you open it, so many wires that it might get complicated, all right? Again, Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.